My name is Luke Green. My company is called Go Coffee Co and I attend Swansea University. So my business is a mobile coffee business. I sell a variety of hot drinks out the back of a smart car. I was working for people for many years and I realised that I wanted to do something myself. I wanted to use my own initiative, my own creativity, and I was already working in the food and beverage industry, so I knew it was something that I wanted to go into. The university have been amazing for me. Ever since I started uni at the start of first year, the idea was simply an idea, just a concept, and now for me to be at the end of second year and it come to fruition, and for me to be trading for 4 months already now, that wouldn't have been able to be done by myself without their support, their contacts, funding that they've given to me through Go Compare. In addition to that, I've had Kelly Jordan, the entrepreneurship officer at the university. She's been there for me on hand whenever I've needed her to talk me through specifically like legal advice, marketing advice, things like that. She's really helped me grow my business, helped me with my social media, and she's helped me be more confident in my concept that it can work. I'm well aware that I'm just at the start of a long journey. I hope to finish my course in the next year now, go into my third year. Once I graduate, I can look to franchise the company. I can have many cars across lots of cities, and that's the overall aim with the business.